So stocks 5150. The time is 15:55, so 5 minutes to go before market closes, and the date is 7/10/26. Today we up 0.35%, 0.3%. So let's go. Let's go. Looks like what's happening in the news. Hynix shares jump, so that's cool. Yeah. This looks good. I'm gonna expect a pullback though, because the bank's earnings start next week, and probably gonna pull back over the weekend. I don't know, but for me, still down 1,000 on this position. P&L on this position is -5. Today though, we have unrealized data. Unrealized, we got a G on that. So we're making moves. Let's go. Let's look at the charts. Let's look at the charts. So we're still in this spot. We have not broke above that line yet. That's wild that we basically got. It almost makes me feel like I shouldn't have made put that line there. I know I don't control nothing, but this is a key level, and we have not broken past that yet. Just sitting and holding and waiting. So what we got? We are just chopping sideways. Let's look at it on the 1 hour and see what we got. On the 1 hour, yeah, so today is the 10th and pretty much a bullish day though. Like we open up here, open up down here, open up, boom, pop. Got some twin towers right there, triple towers. And then bam, we pushed about 12 after light, right at lunch. We pushed and then we just chopping sideways. This is proving to be super major resistance right here. And where is my order at? Just above that. Yeah, I went long at the wrong spot. I know. Terrible. I know. Trust me, I'm kicking myself. I've been kicking myself. If you've been watching this, I've been kicking myself for probably uh whenever I put this order on like a month ago. Maybe no, maybe a week ago. I don't know. Let me look and see when did I buy this? Transaction, filter, trade. I think let's do 14 days. Yep, this is it. When I bought, I went in. And the crazy part is the market was dropping that day. Because you can see I went here 30, 32.85. Still haven't got back there yet. So 32.87, 32.85. I was buying as it was dropping, thinking it was going to pull back. And then it started 32.54, then 32.55, and then boom, it crashed out 28. And then I was like, bump it, just bought one. Because I actually sold right there, made some, but then either way, not smart. And then I've been stuck in this since July 2nd. So I've been in this since July 2nd. I freaked out the other day because with Iran crap, and I sold one, and yeah, so took a 500 loss on that. But overall, for the week, yeah, we had 1,500 overall. Not bad, not bad. So since being in this, which was so no, that's 2 weeks. Sorry. So for the week though, down 533. Yeah. And that's that one that I sold. I should have just kept it. Shoulda and coulda and I woulda, but I didn't. So that's where we at. Anyway, back to this. We got 1 minute to go before the market closes, and we have hit this level, and we are holding, chopping sideways. Um, looks like a bull flag, but it's also kind of bearish too. So probably gonna sell off. The day is Friday, and will I hold this over the weekend? Conventional wisdom says that you shouldn't, because we'll probably come back down to here. But and it's already starting to pull back a little bit. There it is, market close. Still in this trade, this swing. We've been swinging on this since July 2nd. That's 8 days. 8 days. Longest trade in futures and the most contracts in futures so far. So we're gonna see how it goes. I also know that part of me is like I should put a stop on here. just in case the weekend turns crazy. But and it's earnings season coming up. It's a lot of factors. I'm actually breaking rules like crazy right now. But whenever I ever listen to the rules, right? So what difference does it make? It makes a big difference. I could lose money, but and me and my brother talked about this. He was like, your risk management, you're all over the place. And he's right. And I can't say he's not right, but end of the day, it is what it is. So we are pushing up at the moment. So let's see, we're getting us a bounce. Everybody closing out. What is SpaceX? SpaceX is at 145. Interesting. QQQ is at 725. QQQ is pushing. SpaceX was down pushing 145. It's still below 150 though. So that seems to be where it's going to sit for a while. 150 to 200, I guess. As far as we go, we can do something. Well, we don't have to do nothing because actually we got this already pushed out to this was the seller's level right here. Well, buyer's level. I should change this around to make this a different color actually because this is where buyers started buying. Make that green. That's the buyer's level right here. Like we go back and look, say boom, we hit here. And so that's our buyer's level right here. And seller's level, we pushed up above here. I got this yellow. I'll still leave that yellow. This, well, we broke above it. So actually, this needs to be like it red because we pushed through there. I'm gonna leave it yellow. Push through there, and now we're here. And this is where we've been meeting major resistance. Definitely a seller's level. Delete that. All right, so this zone right here is where the buyers are, and this right here is where the sellers are. But at the moment, we're just in here because we have been selling right here. Last time we hit here, we sold. So this is a major seller's level right here. And I am, like I said, I could close this out now and not take the chance over the weekend. Take a $800 cut. How much would that be? Let's see. 5 contracts. Well, $800 just to not be in anything. Let's see what DJT said. Okay, he said 5 hours ago, ceasefire is over. He agreed to keep negotiations going. Ceasefire is over. That was 5 hours ago. I mean, we already know that. That was probably that big huge drop right there. All right, well, I'll tell you what. We've been as low as like 10, 10, 10 on this, like down here. So no need in selling it now. Just keep it. Just keep it. Yeah, because we went as low as that. So no need in getting scared now, you know what I'm saying? Say no need in getting scared now, right? Yeah. Diamond hands on this bitch. Diamond hands, son. Diamond hands. And we got earnings coming up also. And what else we got? Friday, July 10th, that's today. We had a Fed monetary policy report. So that came out at 11. Let's see what did that do? Did that change anything? That came out. That report came out at 11 o'clock, and we start pushing. But that was just a report. That shouldn't have been that big of a deal. So I think we'll be fine. Monday, we got Saturday, we got Sunday. Monday, we don't have any data for the U.S. I mean, got some Fed speak coming out. Yeah. Then we got CPI on Tuesday the 14th. Yeah. We already know inflation is going to be what it's going to be, right? So we're going to hold through that. I mean, so far, it's working out for us. So we're going to see what this activity is. And right now, we are pulling back. It's flat on the hour. Let's look at it, though. Let's get a little into this a little bit. Yeah, so we're curling. I mean, I'm not trading every day. I've just been holding it and watching, which maybe this is what I'll do is do a swing trade. I mean, in a better position, but do a swing trade over the when I'm on. I don't know, man. This is actual me being silly, and I just should have stopped and cut the loss like at 300, but I didn't. I added in, and now I'm trying to sell it as a swing trade, and because I just refuse to let it go. So really, it's me being stubborn. But we're building out liquidity, building on this shelf right here. So probably the longer we stay here, bouncing between here, if we stay here and bounce, if we hang out here and make it there, which I mean, we're still down. Like if we look at this on the 4 hour, we're descending. You see what I'm saying? My orders up here, target is 31, 146. So it's not like it's not like what's that word called? It's not like we're oversold, overbought or anything up at the top. We're down at the bottom. Like look at it on the 4 hour, then if we look at it on the daily, we just been chopping in this range right here. See, so in the daily, we're still in this range, but we're doing what? Trending down. Like if I put this on array on a trend, boom, we're trending down. You see? So we're just heading down. So we haven't even broke up above that yet. You know what I'm saying? We haven't even broke the trend yet. So still, that's a lower high. So it's still room to go, is all I'm saying. Still room to go. And I got my order here up at the top. So I'm gonna hold it. We'll see what happens. So if we push and if our earnings are good next week, boom, pop up here, making money. You know what I'm saying? Next week also we could pull back, and that's fair, you know. But for right now, yeah. Matter of fact, let's swap this one. I like this is a sell right here. That major sell. Put this. Oh, sorry, move that out of the way. This is a minor sell error. So right here, and I still got mine up above that in hopes I can grab something up above. So we're just inside of the mid range right now. So we're just in the middle, and this is cool. Not a bad place to be. Not a bad place to be. You know. All right, but it is trending down. This also could be creating a bull flag. We look at this on a weekly. Doji. Then we've just been shopping right here. You see what I'm saying? So not in the worst position. We're right in the mid range. So we could go up or we could go down. That's my expert opinion. What I would like to see, of course, is us to push up, hit that target, man, and then I'll get some money. And I won't be happy with the world, but I'll be feeling pretty good about that day. That'll be eight, like eight or so. That'll be good on this position. Then I'll be sold. I'll be like, you know what? I think I should start swing trading because if you can make eight and say that happens, let's just say, boy, science and math. If that happens, I don't know. The earnings starts there or 2 weeks. So you hold something for 2 weeks, July 2nd to July 20th, 20 days, and you get $8,000 off of it. You make $8,000. I mean, sign me up for that 2 weeks, 8 G's every 2 weeks. And we'll probably pull back. Yeah. Actually, we'll probably pull back next week because we're gonna have I don't know, the banks will be popping, but that's gonna be earnings for because inflation's high. The banks are gonna pop, and then we'll see what happens. Yeah. All right. Either way, yo, we're gonna leave this on. We're pushing up right now. Everything's looking good far as we're concerned, and we're in the range that we're in. Right. Right. Check. Check. Roger. Roger. All right. That is actually where we are. Stocks 5150. This is on the weekly. We're kind of forming a bull flag, and we take off. Boom. That'll be great. And then we'll probably sell back off for what, August, September, October, sell back off, back down to this level. We'll probably pop up and then sell back down to here, maybe here to 48 or something. And that'll feel terrible at the time. Because you see here, yeah, or I could sell back down here or fit through halfway this point, which is here. So look for that. But when that happens, I need to make sure that I'm on the right side and not be holding along up here like I was earlier. Yeah, that was, yeah, yeah. That's what I need to do. Just start reacting to the market instead of holding on to my dreams. So if this works out, that's cool. But I didn't trade. This was not a good trade. Just so you know, I did not enter this with the best intentions. I did everything wrong. So in the future, I'll do better. And we might still do some swings, but maybe just like a weekly swing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, those 7 day swings. And hopefully be at the bottom or wherever the top or wherever and get better positioning. My entry needs to be better. All right, yo, stocks 5150. I'm gonna work out a little bit because I gotta get ready for work. All right, I'll come back. I'm gonna shut this down at 5 o'clock when the market closes. Let's zoom back in. Go to the 1 minute. See what we got. Still descending. Good chop. Bouncing off the 200. Well, we got 11 on the day so far. Well, it's not over yet. Yesterday, I thought it was going to be up, and we didn't because the market closed. It fell back down and pushed down, and that didn't help me at all. Let's see, because yesterday, I think yesterday we closed with no transact. Oh, that's trades. I got it on trades. Yeah. So trades, total trades so far, year to date, I'm at 24. I mean, I'm I8. You know what I'm saying? Making some money. We'll put this at miscellaneous movements. This is the mark to market stuff. 22. So you see, I'm technically down 2,000 because that's a negative 22. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, taking a lot. Then that would make sense because the mark to market is negative 22. So I have not been trading good. If we do year to date with everything, do it all. Year to date, everything is 16. 16. Not bad. Not bad. It feels worse than it is. I think I got everything on here. Yeah, that's with everything. But then also, uh, I don't know because I've been put. Let's see. So money that I put in here, deposits. I put in 11. So you subtract that 11 from the subtract the 11 from there. It's 5. Not the best. Not the best, dude. Not the best. So ain't no bragging, ain't no flexing over here at all. Because yesterday, mark the market, we got 40. We got 4,000. So that was a good day. And today we'll probably get a G, maybe, but we're heading in the right direction. Head in the right direction. That's what we want to go up.